Thank you, Jessica. A 31-year-old Madison man who pleaded guilty to assaulting a police officer during the January 6th insurrection and attack on the Capitol was in court in Limestone County today for different legal trouble.
A Limestone County grand jury recently indicted Dylan Harrington on a violent sex crime. Today's hearing was to decide whether he'd be allowed bond. News 19's Emily Moser joins us now in the studio with more. So, Emily, what did you learn in court today?
Well, this was an Aniah's Law hearing, meaning that the state and defense were arguing whether or not Dylan Harrington should be released on bond or if he's a danger to others and should be held in jail until his trial. Now, this hearing comes after Harrington was charged with rape in Madison. A Madison police investigator testified that this happened on September 5th of last year outside of Bishop's Bar and Grill in Madison. According to the investigator, the victim reported the crime to police that same day. Then the next day, an acquaintance of Harrington called police to report what they had seen that evening. Now, according to that acquaintance, Harrington was seen outside of the bar with the victim, who the acquaintance said was unresponsive and possibly dead. According to the investigator, Harrington had told police that he didn't think the victim was incapable of making their own decisions. Now, prosecutors also argued that Harrington was in violation of his release conditions after pleading guilty to the assault during the January 6th attack on the Capitol, which stated that he wasn't allowed to use drugs and alcohol. However, the defense argues that this case shouldn't consider his actions during January 6th as it was an unrelated incident. The defense also claimed that the scratches on the victim could have come from a consensual act. Now, at the end of the day, the judge did not give a ruling today, instead saying that he would have to think about it and decide later on. We will, of course, keep you updated as we learn what that decision is.